smartest boy in the world. Yes, he is. And he's probably the only parrot in the world who can do this. That's right. He's going to say the AOL goodbye exactly like it sounds, because every time I used to turn off my computer when I'd finished working, I would shut it down and the AOL would say goodbye. So he's remembered it, even though I don't use the AOL anymore for work. He remembered it, and that just shows how smart they are. Yes, it does. You ready to go night-night? Get the papa kisses. I love you. You're my baby. All right, go papa. I love you. Go night-night. Good boy. What are you doing?